Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to make a small mini notebook out of paper. It's a really easy process, so let's get right to it. As you can see, I'm starting off with a regular rectangular sheet of paper. This is just a sheet of printer paper, and I actually have it in landscape mode right now, so I have it wide. Now the first thing that you're going to do is take the bottom edge and fold it up to the top edge, just like that. Now try and make all of the lines and all of the folds as straight as you can. It'll just make the end result look a lot better. Then we're going to take the new bottom edge, which is the folded side right here, fold it up to the top edge again, just like that. Once again, trying to keep everything as nice and straight as possible. Now we're going to unfold it twice to get it back to sort of the regular mode. I apologize about the camera focus right there. So now we're going to take the right edge, fold it over to the left edge. Once again, the nicer that you make the folds, the better that the end result will be with regards to how it looks. Just like that. Then we're going to take the new right edge, which is folded right here, and we're going to fold it to the left edge again, just like that. Okay, make a nice straight line, just like that. Now we're going to unfold it twice again. So there's once, there's twice. Now you have this sheet of paper with all of these squares on it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take the bottom edge right here. We're going to fold it to the top in half, just like that. So fold it to the top in half. You should still have that crease over there. Just make it nice and creased down. Then we're actually going to take a pair of scissors and we're going to cut each of these lines, these three lines right here, up to sort of the middle crease right here. So I'm just going to cut each of these lines up to the middle crease. Let's just cut this one first, just like that. Then we'll do this one right here, just like that. And then we will do this one right here, just like that. Now, what we need to do is we need to unfold it, but you want to make sure that these are actually pointed upwards. So right now they're pointed downwards, so we're going to flip it over, make sure that these are pointed upwards like that. Now if you take a look, we have these two middle portions right here. So there's the outside ones, and then there's these two in the middle. You want to take your pair of scissors and cut these in half, just like that, right along that crease that you made, just like that. Now the better that you make these cuts, the better that the end result will look. Now we're actually going to take the inside portions and we're going to basically fold them to the left and the right. So we're going to take this right flap, fold it to the right, there's already a crease there, fold this flap to the right, fold this flap to the left, just like that. Once again, making the creases nice and straight and tight, and then fold this one to the left, just like that. So right now you have this piece of paper that looks like it's a rectangle and has this open rectangle in the middle. Now we're going to actually take this and flip it over, just like that. So now when you look at it, it's going to look like this. So now we're going to take the top little section right here, we're going to fold it down, just like that, towards the middle, okay? Then we're going to take the bottom section, fold it up towards the middle. So this is what it looks like right now at this point, okay? So now we're going to take the top edge and fold it in the halfway point, just like that. This is what it looks like so far. And now we're going to take it and we're going to just basically put it upright. And you can see that there's this little pocket in the middle. So we're going to squeeze the sides together to bring this pocket. And you want to open it up like this. So squeeze the sides together, just like that. You want to take these flaps, these pockets, and you want to fold them to the left, just like that. Fold them to the left, make a nice crease. Then you want to take this, fold it to the left as well, make a nice crease. And what you actually have right now is you have your mini notebook. So let's go ahead and show you. You can see it has different pages right here that you can use to write down your thoughts and stuff like that. So you've created a mini notebook. We didn't use any glue. And all that we used was one sheet of paper. Now, obviously, if you take more time to make all of the creases nice and straight and all of the cuts nice and straight, then it's going to be perfectly straight and it's going to look great, as opposed to all of these extra little pieces sticking out. But that's basically it. In this video, I have shown you how to make a mini notebook out of paper. I hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.